My name is Kenny Dempsey and I'm a project director with Kindred Construction. 981 Davie is a 17-story mass timber hybrid building in the heart of downtown on the Davie and Burrard intersection. Consists of 3 levels of below-grade parking, 2 levels of commercial real estate multi-use, inclusive of a community area, and then 15 stories of affordable housing units above that.
My name is Heather Oland and I am the Director of Non-Market Housing Development for the City of Vancouver. Our team is responsible for the development and redevelopment of non-market housing assets in the city's portfolio. So 981 Davie is a really special project, and it's special because it's not just an affordable housing project, but it's also a collection of a variety of different civic uses. It's a long time coming for the civic use for the community space and their redevelopment, and so that's a really important civic objective for the City of Vancouver as well. And also it's a showcase for green building technologies and mass timber.
My name is Anoop. I use she and her pronouns. I'm the executive director at QMUNITY, BC's Queer, Trans and Two-Spirit Resource Centre. We noticed, post-pandemic, there was a huge surge of folks wanting to connect to services. Our current home isn't accessible. We have stairs. There are also challenges around being tucked away in a part of the city. And this new space allows us to have accessible, dignified space for our 2S LGBTQIA+ folks, really pivoting Q to be able to speak to the work in BC.
My name is Tiffany DeZita and I'm the Executive Director at the Community Land Trust. And this project is a great example of how all 3 levels of government came to the table to provide not only land, but grants and financing to make this project a possibility. So we're going to be delivering on homes that will target people that are living at the shelter assistance level, all the way up to kind of what we call kind of the missing middle.
981 Davie is a hybrid building consisting of a concrete core with a hybrid system of steel columns and CLT mass timber panels. It also then comes with a prefabricated modular envelope designed to Passive House standard.
My name's Dan Giddis. I'm in business development, major pursuits. With modular, it all gets built in a factory, so you have higher quality air seals, better alignment of thermal planes. So by building modular, it allows you to keep pace with the structure going up and wrap the floors quickly. It really speeds up the install.
I'm Trevor McKay and I'm the marketing manager at Kolesnikov. One of the benefits of utilizing mass timber is the way that it can retain energy. That allows a business or a homeowner to have to spend less on heating or cooling their home or their facility in order to keep it livable and keep it comfortable. And then one of the long-term benefits is the energy efficiency of having CLT in between floors. The fact is that it just allows for a much more economical overall build.
I think the number one thing that we're looking forward to in this project is that it's a real demonstration that affordability of housing within this province is involving multiple people to be at the table with this.
Our relationship with McLaren Housing and the City and CLT tries to piece together those partners that can change systems to better the lives of folks. Housing is a huge social determinant of health. I love that this space kind of seeds what a program can be, and our new space is limitless.
So the number one thing I'm looking forward to is all of the people that we're going to house.